you trying to make my docket atrocious? You asking for an adjournment? Atrocious. You know, there are people who come looking for me, Attorney Pernicano, and ask me different questions.
YouTube is on, Judge.
It's okay. I want them to know. Listen, they know they go looking for me. It's called the State Supreme Court. They listen, whether I say it or not, they come looking for you. Every time. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Tawana Markia Willie. This is a Z ticket 8082431. This is one count operating with a high blood alcohol content. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Joseph Pernicano, P84918, appearing on behalf of Tawana Willie via Zoom. Miss Willie, please state your full name for the record.
Tawana Willie. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Good morning, Attorney Pernicano. How are we moving forward with this? This is a pre-trial.
Your Honor, this is an adjourned pre-trial date. We initially asked for this adjournment so that I could obtain and review the discovery that has been provided to me, and I have reviewed that. I did have an opportunity to pre-try the matter with the city attorney this morning. No offer was made at this time from the city attorney. We are asking for an adjournment for plea negotiations. I would like to have my client complete some classes, some programs, do some testing, get a regimen of attending AA, and return to the prosecutor and ask for a deal again. If not, I may have to submit a deviation with a request to the city attorney supervisor.
That needs to be done. You got to do that deviation while she's doing all that so you can get what you're looking for.
I will do that, Your Honor.
That way, don't wait for her to complete it all. Tell them that, well, I can't tell you how to do your job, but I would like the deviation to be done as well so I can know how we move forward to move this case along. So
yes,
would you
Judge.
like one month or 2 months to try and accomplish all of that, attorney?
With some holidays coming up, Your Honor, and I'm going to be out of town a week in there. If we could do 2 months, that would be best.
Okay, that works. All right, so today is July 1st. Happy July, everybody. We're halfway through the year. How about September 5th? It's a Thursday. What does your docket look like that day?
That'd be perfect, Judge.
Okay, let's adjourn this until September the 5th. At that point, though, we're going to either have to move forward with a trial or it's going to be a plea. Okay, counsel?
Understood, Your Honor.
All right, that's going to be at 9 a.m. Let's do 9 a.m. I'll continue her bond. Okay.
All right. Thank you very much. You and have a great day to you and your staff.
You too. Thank you so much. Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye, sir. Bye, Miss Willie. Make sure you still follow everything that you're supposed to follow. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor. Actually, today I'm graduating from college.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
All right. All right. Enjoy
have a
the
good
rest
day,
of your
Your
day.
Honor.
Man. You too. Thank you.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, ma'am.
Do I just leave?
Yep, you can just leave. Just log off. Do you need me to help you log off or are you good?
I got it. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Happy graduation.
Thank you.
All right. Let me see if attorney, if he'll come out. Oh, he's coming. Attorney Sinclair?
Yes, ma'am. How are you, Judge?
I'm finding you. How are you doing?
Good, thanks. Thank you for asking.
Good. Do you need to talk to your client, or are you all set for this morning's hearing?
I need to speak with Mr. Williams, please.
Okay, absolutely. We're gonna put you into a breakout room so that you can talk to your client. Mr. Timothy Williams, your attorney would like to speak to you. So we're gonna put you into a breakout room so you can do that, okay?
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna move y'all to room 18.
Okay.
Okay, let me find your name, attorney.
I think I can just hit the button here. Join breakout.
Yep, you can.
Okay.
Thank
cool.
you, Attorney Sinclair.
No problem. Thank you.
Ms. John Vieira Williams. Ma'am, Ms. John Vieira Williams.
Hello.
Hello, can you turn your camera on for me, please?
Okay.
Ma'am, you don't want an attorney this morning?
No, I am the authorized representative. I'm making a special limited appearance for the all caps name.
Okay. All right. Let me call this matter then. Now calling the matter of the People versus John Vieira Sherelle Williams. This is ticket SP 1534898. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. May I have your appearance for the record, ma'am, please?
Hello, can you hear me?
I can hear you. I need your appearance for the record, ma'am. Can you hear us? I could just hear you a moment ago.
Hello? Can
Hello?
you hear me now?
Can you hear us? Yep, I can
Yeah,
hear
I can hear
you.
you now. Something's going
Okay.
on with the phone. I'm inside
Okay,
of a
it's my.
building.
Yeah, I was about to say it's because you're in the building, ma'am. Can you state your name for the record, please?
I am the authorized representative of the all caps name, John Vieira Sherelle Williams.
All right. And it's my understanding today that you don't want to be represented by an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, I have power of attorney.
Okay. And you know that you have the absolute right to have an attorney. This matter is a misdemeanor before my court. So certain constitutional rights kick in. The fine is up to $500. A possible, I believe, now this one ticket is 90 days maximum in jail potentially in these particular matters. So when we start taking away civil liberties, there's a right to have an attorney. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am, how would you like to move forward with this? Do you have current insurance, up to date and current insurance?
Actually, I took the car and I put it inside of the business, the trust, and I'm not operating the vehicle now because we need to do some more paperwork on it. I am in the process of rescinding all my contracts. I'm just
Okay,
here to make
so-
a special appearance.
Okay, so let me let you know. So even if you're making a special appearance on behalf of that, either you have insurance or you don't have insurance. And then you need to tell me how you would like to proceed forward. We can either proceed forward with the plea, you can proceed forward with the trial, bench,
As
or
I
jury in this
understand,
matter.
as I understand the process, the judge, the county attorney, or the police officer has leveled the criminal charge with the clerk against the trust using the all cap name.
Ma'am, it's all the same. So whether it's all caps or lower caps, if it comes under your driver's license number and it's a registered vehicle to you, it's your responsibility. So my question was, do you or don't you have insurance at this point in time?
I'm asking you to dismiss the case with prejudice.
Okay, so I'm not going to do that because it's still an open case and I still don't have whether or not you have insurance has to be provided. Any vehicles that are driven, road, traveled on the roads have to have insurance in the state of Michigan.
Well, the clerk, who is the administrator of the CSTQ trust, then appointed you, the judge, as the trustee for the trust. And since neither of you can be the beneficiary, that leaves me. And therefore, you are my trustee. So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter at your argument of trial of judge will ask you, okay?
No. So here's your options. You can either plead or you can have a bench or jury trial. How would you like to proceed?
I am
Or if you
asking
don't
you
want
to
to
dismiss.
participate, or if you don't
I
want to
don't want a
participate.
contract at all. I don't want a contract at all.
So if you don't want to participate, then what we do is the next stage is the show cause or capias.
So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter with prejudice and award the penalties for these charges to be paid to me and compensation, damages, or for all false arrests.
All right. So it seems like she doesn't want to participate in today's hearing. So I'm going to set this for a show cause on the date of July 22nd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. If at that point in time, Ms. John Vieira, Sherelle Williams would like to participate in the hearing, she can return to court. Bond set at $0 personal. Have a great day, ma'am.
You as well.
All right. All right. Good morning, Attorney Werbeling. And good morning,
Morning.
Attorney Soroki.
Morning, Judge Taylor. How are you? And
I'm good.
Attorney-
You? I'm a trustee now, so I like to have different titles. It makes me feel good about myself.
oh, trustee for.
Apparently, for other people.
Oh, I know a case you're talking about. I know a case.
For a sovereign citizen.
Welcome to my world.
Yeah, right.
All right. Mr. Wilson, don't be laughing at me. I'll be traumatized. All right, I'm gonna put you in the weight room just for a moment, okay, sir? I'll bring you out in a moment, okay? Same for you, Miss Young, okay? Give me 1 second.
Okay.
Okay. All right. All right, I'm gonna bring out some of these other folks though. Please keep yourself on mute until I call your matter. All right. All right. Miss Tamara Williams.
Yes.
All right, ma'am, please turn on your camera for me, please.
Okay. 1 second.
Okay. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Tamara Williams. This is ticket SP 1553091. Count 1, careless driving. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Ticket SP 1553105 failed to display a valid operator's license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
And good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, can you please state your
Hold on
full
a
name
minute.
for the record?
Hold on a minute. 1 second, Attorney Werbeling. Sorry about that.
Oh, that's okay.
We got to hold tight.
No problem.
I apologize to everyone. Give me 1 second.
That's okay.
Okay. Sorry about that, Judge.
It's okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Tamara Williams. This is ticket SP 1553105. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Also calling ticket SP 1553091. Count 1, careless driving. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
And good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Your full name for the record, miss?
Yes, Tamara Artrice Williams.
And Judge, I believe this is the day and time set for a pretrial, if I'm not mistaken.
It is.
Judge, she wishes, thank you. She wishes to continue her not guilty plea. She's requesting a bench trial.
All right. If that's the case, ma'am, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
It's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. I'm gonna set this matter for a bench trial on the date of August 29th. August 29th. That's gonna be at 9 a.m. It is via Zoom. Okay? Via
Okay.
Zoom. So I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, you're all set. Thank you.
Okay.
All right, bye-bye. Valencia Willis? Yes. All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Valencia Willis. This is ticket ticket 20493384. Count 1, driver's license never required. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3 is drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Your full name for the record, miss?
It's Valencia Deanna Willis.
All right, counsel,
Hey,
how are we
Judge.
proceeding today?
Sure, Judge. We'd ask any warrants to be recalled. She's going to stand mute and waive formal reading for purposes of arraignment.
All right. At this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How are we proceeding?
Thank you, Judge. We're asking for a pretrial be set just for compliance.
All right. At this point in time, the court's going to grant that request. I'll give her a pretrial date in this matter. It'll be July 26th. July 26th. Ma'am, you have 3 civil infractions you need to take care of. They're in collections. Okay. All right. Take care of those so I can come back and hopefully do something with these other tickets, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, I'll set your bond at $0 personal. I'll see you then, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
No problem. All right. Tamika Wilson Lynch.
Good morning. Yes, ma'am.
Good morning. Now calling the matter of the people versus Tamika Nicole Wilson Lynch. This is ticket SP 1556442. This is 1 count drove with revoked license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Miss Wilson Lynch.
All right, Miss Wilson Lynch, can you state your name for the record, please?
Tamika Nicole Wilson Lynch.
All right. All right, counsel, how are we proceeding today?
Your Honor, I did have the opportunity to discuss this matter with my client. At this time, she's requesting a bench trial date.
All right. If that's the case, ma'am, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding that you would like to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'll set this for a bench trial at the date of August 29th. August 29th at 9 a.m. It will be via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in on that date, okay?
At 9 a.m.?
At 9 a.m., ma'am.
Okay.
It's a be good. Miss Horn. All right, you're all set, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
No problem.
Mhm.
Jasmine Williams.
Yes.
All right. Now calling, you work in a like a facility, a healthcare facility?
Mhm.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jasmine Williams. This is ticket SP 1455062. 1 count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Can you please state your name for the record, miss?
Jasmine Williams.
And Judge, I believe this is the date and time set for arraignment. She'll stand mute and wait for more reading at this time.
This time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client. How are we proceeding?
Judge, my client has presented valid documentation, so we would move to dismiss for those reasons.
All right, being an officer of the court, having seen valid documentation, the court is going to grant that request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Ma'am, make sure you keep everything valid, up to date, and in your vehicle at all times, okay?
Thank you. Will do.
You're welcome. All right, have a good day, okay?
You too.
All right, bye-bye. Lamont Williams.
Yes.
I need to turn your camera on for me, please. Hey, Officer Bennett. All right. He previously had counsel at some point in time. Did he tell you that? At some point he was scheduled for a trial, but he had some circumstances that arose, and it was attorney, and you may not have known this, it was Attorney Miller. I know she.
Oh, I didn't know that, Your Honor.
Yeah, so, all right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Damon Charles Williams. This is ticket SP 1486811. Count 1, drove with the revoked license. Count 2, drove without cycle endorsement. Also, I have ticket number SP 1486498. It's in default, but it was supposed to go with this ticket, 6 to 10 miles over posted speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of the defendant. Sir, could you state your full name for the record, please?
Yes, I'm Sir Williams, Damon.
And Judge, at this time, we'd ask any warrants be recalled for arraignment purposes. You will stand mute and wait for more reading, Judge.
All right. At this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client. How are we proceeding today?
Judge, he was asking for a pretrial date in order
Okay.
to see if we could settle this matter with compliance.
Okay. All right, sir. I'm going to give you that. I'm also going to place that ticket that's in default back on my docket. Okay, sir?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to set it for, does July 26th give you enough time, sir, or do you need a little extra time?
July 26th. That's fine. Yes.
Okay. Let's do July 26th at 8:30 a.m. And I'll keep your bond at $0. Okay, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. You have a great rest of your day, okay?
Yes, ma'am. You enjoy your day as well. Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. I'm bringing in Miss Shamika. I think it's pronounced. Is it Shamika Young?
Tamika.
Say it one more time.
Tamika.
Tamika. Okay. All right. You know, she has some cases set for pretrial on August 2nd. Did y'all deal with that or no?
We didn't, Your Honor. We were happy with what we resolved today, so we were just going to hear it back, if that's all right.
All right. That's fine. Now calling the matter of the people versus Samika Tamiri Young. This is ticket number SP 950122. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. I also have ticket SP 1107120. One count, drove while unlicensed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Ms. Young. Ms. Young, can you give the court your name?
Tamika Young.
Your Honor, my client did provide a valid driver's license today, and I spoke with the city attorney, and because she's paid all of her outstanding tickets and civil infractions, all matters this morning are being dismissed.
Okay, so just the tickets on my docket for this morning are being dismissed, correct?
That's correct.
All right, so at this time, the court's going to grant that request. I'll dismiss these matters without prejudice. Ma'am, don't forget to come back and see me on August 2nd, 2024, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right. I see you ready on some of your other matters. Let me bring them out so that we can get them. Mr. Ware, let me put you in the waiting room. Just give me a moment, okay?
Okay.
Told him I would let them know when I got to court if I could jump in and help. I didn't have a ton of stuff. I didn't want them waiting forever. I don't even need my fan until right now. I keep it at a low one. I see. I'm like, who is that? Why you got me doing this? You so mean. Thought you loved me, but I'm starting to feel differently about that situation. I'm really starting to think you may not love me.
Say, look, so happened at me, huh? It is. How you been? Fine. And you? Wait, hold on. Let me mute this 1 second.
Attorney Sinclair, are you ready on yours or you need another moment?
I'm all set, Judge.
Okay.
Sorry about
Call
the
you.
interruption.
No, you good. I know you were downstairs, so it's fine. Let me bring him out. Timothy Williams? Okay, thank you, Mary. You're so nice. Left these there for me. Oh, no. All right, Timothy Williams, if you could unmute your phone and turn on your camera for me. All right, now calling the matters of the people versus Timothy Tally Williams. This is ticket SP 1409982. Count 1, drive unregistered, untitled motor vehicle. Count 2, drove while unlicensed. Ticket number SP 1467130, tinted windows. Ticket SP 1466801. Count 1, drive unregistered, untitled motor vehicle. Count 2, no insurance. Count 3, driver's license never acquired. Ticket SP 1409983, no proof of insurance. Ticket SP 1418401. Count 1, open alcohol motor vehicle driver. Count 2, tinted windows. Count 3, failure to wear safety belt. Ticket SP 1452301. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, no insurance. Count 3, drive unregistered, untitled motor vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Hey, good morning, Judge. I'm Christopher Sinclair, 512 on behalf of Mr. Williams, present on the screen via Zoom. We consent to proceed via Zoom.
All right, give me one more time. You got to go again. It's breaking up a little bit, Attorney Sinclair.
All right, I'm Christopher Sinclair, P80512, appearing with on behalf of Mr. Williams, who's present on the screen, and we consent to proceeding via Zoom.
Thank you so much. Mr. Williams, can you state your name for the record, please?
Timothy Williams.
Thank you. Counsel, did you have an opportunity to talk with Attorney Mason this morning?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. This is the city prosecutor. It's a housekeeping matter. We have one where the defendant is self-representing himself. He and Investigator Donahue, they're in a breakout room. They're in breakout room 12. So that case is ready to go. He doesn't have a lawyer, though. That's why I didn't want you to.
Okay. All right. Thank
I'm sorry.
you.
I'm sorry. I got to put on the other earphone. It's me. I'm sorry,
Okay.
Judge. So yeah,
It's okay.
he doesn't have
Attorney
lawyer.
Mason, we're in the midst of another hearing right now.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought
It's
that you were on
okay.
house breakout. Sorry.
No, it's okay. All right. Attorney Sinclair, how are you moving forward?
Yes, ma'am. And just for the record, it's my understanding Mr. Williams has a total of 14 tickets before Your Honor.
Yeah.
I had an opportunity to speak with the city attorney. An offer was extended if you plead to 3 improper plate tickets, 1 seatbelt ticket, 2 improper tent tickets, and 1 reduced count of open alcohol passenger, which is a 2-point ticket that the city would be willing to reduce, to dismiss all of the other files. I did have an opportunity to speak with Mr. Williams, and in light of that conversation and what he initially told me his goals were, this offer did meet those requirements. However, he's choosing to reject the offer at this time and move forward with any and all subsequent court dates in pro per status.
So you're not gonna represent him, Mr. Sinclair?
We've reached an impasse in our conversations, and we have not been able to resolve the impasse. So no, ma'am.
All right. You made a valiant effort, Mr. Sinclair. Only reason why I'm saying this is because I was like, yes.
Yeah, I get it. Totally.
Okay. All right. All right, Mr. Williams. Well, we're back where we started at a month and a half ago. Back to a jury trial date or a trial date, bench trial. What would you like to? But next time we just gonna move forward. I don't know what else to do at this point in time. This can't be on my docket for 12 years. We got to move forward at some point in time.
Last time you were saying the jury wasn't ready, so.
Oh yeah, they weren't. You're right. It wasn't your fault last time because I had some, other matters go before mine sometimes. So it was some matters of higher jurisdiction, I say, or higher priority in my cases last time. You're right.
Yeah.
All right. So how would you like to move forward at this point in time? Do you want me to set it for in-person jury trial, or how do you want to move forward? Let me know.
We can set it for a jury trial.
Okay. All right. My next jury trial date is September 16th. Let me make sure Attorney Mason is going to be here and present for that day. Okay.
Okay.
Give me 1 second. And Attorney Sinclair, thank you for your services in this particular matter. Since you are no longer needed, you can go ahead and log off.
Got it. You're welcome. Thank you so much.
Thank you. All right.
Everybody money hungry.
Attorney Mason, I need you when you get a second.
Yeah, Your Honor. Yes.
He would like to have that jury trial again. Are you in the office on September 16th for a jury trial?
I appear to be. Yes, Your Honor. At this point, I am.
Okay, I just want to make sure, I know it may change, but I just want to make sure I wasn't doing it on a pre-scheduled event where you weren't present. Okay, thank you. That's it, Attorney Mason. Thank you. All right, Mr. Williams, does that work? That's my soonest date I have is September 16th. Unmute yourself for me, sir.
You said September 16th?
Yes, at 9:30 a.m. in person.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll have to
All
have
right.
that final pre-trial that Friday before, which is the 13th of September, just to make sure you're ready to move forward, okay?
Okay.
You can do that via Zoom though, like how you are, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so in person on the 16th, via Zoom on the 13th, just to make sure we're moving forward, okay?
Okay.
All right, 9 a.m. for both, 9:30 for both times, okay?
All right. See you then.
See you then. Thank you, Mr. Williams.
Yep.
All right, bye-bye. Mr. Ware?
Yes.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Keith Bernard Ware. This is U ticket 687-76424. This is one count offer to engage the services of another. This is the date and time set for a, looks like pretrial. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
And good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of the defendant. Sir, could you state your name for the record, please?
Keith Bernard Ware.
And Judge, at this time, he's going to continue his not guilty, please, requesting a bench trial before Your Honor.
All right, that's the case, sir. Please raise your right hand.
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
It's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's the trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
All right. I'll set this matter for, it's going to be in person because of the type of case it is, in person on August 29th at 10 a.m. In person, August 29th at 10 a.m., okay?
Okay.
I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I will, you're welcome. All right. DeJuan Wilson?
Yes.
All right, now calling the matters of the people versus DeJuan Wilson. I am just going to read the ticket numbers for some brevity. Now calling ticket number C150282, counts 1 and 2. Ticket 440233, counts 1, 2, and 3. Ticket SP 115445, counts 1, 2. Ticket number SP 1295115, count 1. Ticket SP 1301683, counts 1 and 2. Ticket SP 1327780, counts 1 and 2. Ticket SP 1419933, counts 1, 2, and 3. Ticket SP 1427860, counts 1, 2, and 3. Ticket SP 1476511, counts 1, 2, and 3. Ticket SP 1172200, count 1. Ticket SP 910795, count 1. Ticket SP 1019619, counts 1 and 2. Ticket number SX 2454202, count 1. Ticket SX 2634983, count 1. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please this court, Your Honor, Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of the defendant. Sir, could you state your name for the record, please?
Jawali Sean Earl Wilson.
And Judge, for arraignment purposes, we will stand mute and waive formal reading at this time.
All right, this time the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client. How are we moving forward?
So, Judge, we did have some at-length discussions with Corporation Counsel about, I believe it was 22 matters. I did reach out to the state prosecutor as well. I felt we were close to a resolution with these. He does have some valid documentation. However, with the open in-tax allegation, since he is trying to obtain a CDL, we felt it was best at the end of the day, just set it for a bench trial, Your Honor.
All right. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial. That's the trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'll set it for the date of, 1 second, August 29th. August 29th at 9 a.m. via Zoom. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
All right.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right. Y'all ready, Mr. Williams? I closed down all the stuff.
Yes, I am. Thank you so much. Yes, ma'am.
I've been waiting because you say you gotta leave at 10. You always got a meeting at 10 o'clock. That's very suspicious, Mr. Williams. Always at 10 o'clock.
I appreciate you. I think.
All right.
I think
Investigator, you on here, sir? Oh, unmute yourself.
Yes, that's okay. I'm sorry. My computer, blah blah blah.
It's okay. All right, I'm gonna call this matter now.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now calling the matter of the people versus Horatio Williams. This is V ticket 504158, operating a commercial lot without a license. V ticket 504159, charge other than specified rate. V ticket 504160, operate commercial lot without a license. V ticket 504161, charge other than specified rate. V ticket 504162, operate commercial lot without license. V ticket 504323, charge other than specified rate. And V ticket 504324, operate a commercial lot without license. V ticket 504325, charge other than specified rate. Mr. Williams, you're representing yourself. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Horatio LaCarl Williams.
And Mr. Williams, you know you have the absolute right to have an attorney in this particular matter. These are misdemeanor infractions that have potential of being charged up to $500 or 90 days in jail. So constitutional rights kick in. Are you exercising your right not to have an attorney today, sir?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Investigator, can you state your name for the record?
Yes, ma'am. Investigator John Donahue, Senior Investigator John Donahue with Building Safety Engineering, License and Permits.
Thank you so much. All right. So have you both had the opportunity to talk today about your case in the breakout room, Mr. Williams?
Yes, we did. I think we came up to a solution.
All right. What is the solution?
Well, we have the license for the first two lots. The third lot, the license is in process, and Investigator John had mentioned he would give us an extra 6 months until that license come.
6 months?
Yeah.
Well, that's also, Your Honor, if I may, that's also to be able to monitor. Thank you. That's also, well, one, they have some more zoning issues that they have to go through, and I know that's time consuming. Plus, that also gives, an opportunity to monitor the lot and the activity to make sure that they're, they stay on the right path.
I got you.
and
Okay.
he's, like I said, got some other things he's got to get in order. So I figure we try to get him straight.
Okay. All right. So let me ask you, what tickets are you dismissing any today, or do you want them all to stay on the docket and wait until he comes back in the 6 months? Investigator, what was the resolution on that?
Let's hold off on dismissing anything, and in the 6 months we'll come back and review everything if that's amenable.
Ooh, y'all trying to kill my docket. That's okay. All right. Guess what 6 months today from today is January 1st. Is it? No. All right. So I'm gonna give us, let me look. What about January 6th, 2025? Does that work for everybody?
Yes.
Okay. Are we setting this for a trial, or are we setting this, because I need to make sure you're here, investigator. So do I need to adjourn the trial and I'm gonna adjourn it for another trial to make sure you're here? 9 a.m.
Thank you. And Happy New Year.
Because you're the one who really has to see the documents and make sure that everything's in order and report back to the court. Okay.
Okay, understood.
All right. All right. So at this time, the court is going to adjourn this trial until January 6, 2025 at 9 a.m. Mr. Williams, just follow the orders that you have talked about in the breakout room so he can make the resolution that you are anticipating and hoping to have. Okay.
What if we get everything we need before January? Can we revisit
You can
it?
call the courtroom and see if we can adjust the time. I just have to make sure the investigator is able to be here as well.
Okay, yeah, because I'm gonna be working with him. So once he say everything is good, I think we should reach out to you and just try to get this resolved
That's
soon.
fine. The court will
Okay.
much prefer that,
Okay.
but I'll give you ample time to try and get this in order, since everyone seems to be working with one another, trying to resolve this. So
Okay, well, thank you.
you're very welcome. All right, if there's nothing further, bond will continue and we'll see everybody hopefully before then, but if not, January 6th at 9 a.m. for adjourned bench trial, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you.
All
You're
right.
welcome. Bye, Mr. Williams.
All right, I'm trying to get out of here.
I know. I'm gonna go ahead and log you off, sir.
All right, thank you.
No problem. Mr. Christopher Webster, if you could turn on your camera for me. It's not that many tickets. He just got 3. He got 2 sets, so it's saying. All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Christopher Antonio Webster. This is ticket SP 1521952. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP 1562706. Count 1, failed to signal. Count 2, failed to display a valid operator's license. Also having default ticket SP 1521942. Count 1, expired plates. Count 2, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Count 3, no proof of insurance. Ticket number SP 1524478. 3, expired plates. Then he has ticket SP 152440801. Speeding 11 to 15 miles over posted speed. Count 2 is no valid registration certificate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Christopher Webster.
Mr. Webster, can you state your name for the record, please?
Christopher Webster.
All right, counsel, how are we moving forward?
Your Honor, I did have the opportunity to discuss this matter with my client, and he's asking for an adjourned pretrial. I'm going to ask the court to grant that.
All right, at this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client. Sir, you got some tickets in collection. You still paying on some tickets too.
Yeah,
gotta take care of this stuff.
amnesty going on right now, so I'm gonna try to get that taken care of.
Fantastic. All right. So I'll set these matters for the date of, is July 26th going to be enough time, or you need some additional time, sir?
I would ask for just a little additional, just to make sure.
How about August 26th?
That'll be fine.
Okay. All right. I'll set your bond at $0 personal. Take advantage of that. The fact that you knew that lets me know that you're trying to get this taken care of. So come
Yeah,
down here.
in the process. Okay.
All right. All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set. Okay.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You're welcome.
Good
You too,
for
thank
a housekeeping matter. What was that jury trial set for, Mr. Williams?
Timothy Williams.
I believe so.
You said what date?
Yes.
September 16th.
Oh, for his jury trial?
Yeah, for his jury trial.
Which final
We were
pre-trial
all-
is going to be the 17th?
The 13th.
13th, okay.
Yeah, we've already had it before. You dismissed some of them before. You remember Mr. Williams as he comes back and joins us?
Oh, that Mr. Williams.
Yes, that Mr. Williams.
Was he in here today?
Yes, he was. Mr. Sinclair talked to you about him.
Oh, that's right. Gotcha.
Gotcha. All right. All right, Mr. Martell Williams, Martez, I'm sorry. Unmute yourself. Thank you, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry about that.
Oh, no, you're fine. No, you got unmuted quickly. Now calling the matter of the people versus Martez, Darius, Lawrence, Williams. This is ticket SP 1563410, count 1, tinted windows. Also calling ticket SP 1563401, count 1, drive unregistered, untitled motor vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of the defendant.
Ms. Stark, state your name for the record, please. That's you, Mr. Williams?
That's me. You hear me? Martez.
Yeah, state your name, please.
Martez Williams.
All right. How are we moving forward, attorney?
Your Honor, the people did make a recommendation. My client would plead to the amended count of improper plate and the civil infraction of improper equipment. He's waiving his rights to ask the court to adopt that, and we'd stipulate the probable cause for the dismissals.
All right. That's the case, sir. Please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything outside what's been stated today in exchange for a plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Well, yes. Yes, you said that. Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of March 13th of 2024. At that time, was a Dodge vehicle 2018 still registered to you at that point?
Yes, ma'am.
It was driving in the area of Grand River and Cheyenne in the city of Detroit. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes.
And was there no insurance on it at that time?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. There's no insurance.
No, no.
Okay.
None.
Was the front window also? It looks like the windshield was tinted.
The side ones was tinted, but
Okay.
he said that yes. We just say yes.
Side windows. Okay.
But-
Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied.
Court is satisfied as well and will enter a plea to the reduced charge of improper plates and tinted windows. I saw you wanted to give me an explanation. You want to give me an explanation? No, Mr. Will.
No, ma'am. I ain't gonna explain.
Okay.
I mean, that's okay. I just had to deal with it.
Okay, all right. So at this time, the court is going to, the tinted windows ticket is $120. Typically, you have 14 days to pay that. Is that gonna be enough time or you need more time?
I should be okay. At least
Okay.
about 2 weeks should be cool. I should be straight.
Okay, all right, so that's due no later than July 15th, 2024, the 120. On the remaining ticket, I'm gonna waive the cost and fine. Any reinstatement fees, though, you are responsible for and must pay if there are any, okay?
Okay, that's perfect.
Okay, okay, all right. If there's nothing further, Mr. Williams, you're all set, okay? Oh, you went off on me? You ain't like me that much? That was
Oh, no. I pressed the button by mistake.
okay. All right. You're all set.
Right.
Pay that ticket 120 by July 15th, okay?
All right, perfect.
All right. Bye-bye, sir.
Yes, ma'am. You too. See you later.
Bye-bye. See ya. No, don't come see me. All right.